Hi, welcome to our channel. In this video I'll show you how to install a free VPN on your iPad Air M1 2022. So first I have to tell you that a free VPN is not safe to work with or view banned content because free VPN doesn't protect your private data. So let's get started. As you can see, 2ip.io website says that I'm in Poland now. Thanks to this website you can see how websites see your location. So I reload this page and as you can see I'm in Poland now. So now open App Store and find here Turbo VPN, for example, or other free VPN apps. So I will use Turbo VPN. Install it and open. Tap agree. Okay. So scroll right and choose continue with basic plan, allow, and just press on the caret. Tap allow, confirm your password, wait a while, and cool. Now open 2ip.io website and reload this page. And as you can see, I'm now in United States. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.